Okay, here I am, somewhere on the mid-north coast of New South Wales, and here is one abandoned farmhouse. As you can see, asbestos ridden. But I'm going to go through there anyway, a bit of a plough or something there which will rip up the soils ready for farming and stuff. Around here a few cattle. There, a few cattle on the hills. And just go a quick tour through the house. Really got to watch where I'm walking. A few landmines around the place. The cattle don't mind where they leave their droppings. But anyway, all joys of living in rural anywhere, I suppose. I was going to say New South Wales, it wouldn't matter. Coming in here, this is like a little sunroom at the back here. Got a box here. I thought it was actually a shower thing, but it's actually a box. In the wardrobe, there's nothing in that wardrobe. I looked in there. A few toys in the box there. Door. See, it looks like an old heater there. Imagine around this area it will get very cold in the winter and very hot in the summer. Bedroom number 1. Reasonably good size. You see no built-in wardrobes at all. But back in the day, that was even unheard of, I suppose. Nice view out the window though. And nicely air conditioned too, no ceiling at all, going straight outside. Yep, overcast day today, so you've got lots of cloud coverage. Light switch there, obviously no power. Been abandoned too long, this house. We come across this way. And pretty dark in here, I can't help that, I didn't bring a torch with me. But we had 2 single beds in this room. Bed window looking out to the sunroom, then another window looking outside. When we go through here, just worry about the floor because it's very soggy, very wet. Oh, yep, and there's another bit of a veranda out there, I suppose. We'll have a look at that one shortly. Cut straight across here to the bathroom. Got a bit of a linen closet here, I'd say. Here we can open up. Totally empty. Apart from mouse droppings, that is. There's a bath there. Toilet. Basin upside down on the floor. And your little medicine cabinet, whatever. Once again, looking nice. That view out the window. Every window in this place had nice views, and looking through the ceiling and roof to the grey skies. Come through here, this would be the main living room, lounge room. And yeah, a couple of lounge chairs there. Not a lot to look at really in this place. Here is the kitchen, dining room. So look at me, look, they're all mouldy, wet floors. Table there made out of chipboard, yay. Gotta love that chipboard knot. Here's our kitchen, plenty of working space for the kitchen, look at this. Plenty of workbench area. Kitchen sink was there at one stage, more workbench. Your stove and oven. And there's your pantries, cupboards and stuff. And we'll come back out of here. So this is only going to be a quick tour through this house because there's not much to look at, unfortunately. Back, look at this here. Look at that floor there, totally rotted through, so got to be careful with that. And this here is another part of the veranda. And this is right out the back now. Don't know where the other veranda came from. Maybe it came from that veranda where I entered in the front. We went down the corner. We're not going to go in there because the floor is a bit iffy past that wardrobe. But look at this here. Hopefully I can get up here safely. Even a serving window, look at that. Not bad for a little country house. And a bed there for a day bed or something for visitors, I suppose. Maybe they had a few extra kids. And then we come out the back door. And look at this here, beautiful green countryside. Cattle down on the grass down there on the paddocks. There you go. Maybe that was a chook pen at one stage. Chook chicken coop. Through the trees and down the bottom down there. I don't know if you can see it on the video. There is a bit of a creek down there. I'm just going to wander down here. Beautiful. Actually, I'll see if I can see it from up here. We probably get a better view. There we go, right on the corner of the house. With a lovely lantern. Wow. Hear those cattle out there making a bit of bellowing noise. Anyway, I'll be back in a second. I'm going to shoot over to that shed over there. Won't be long. Well, I'm here and it is a shed. Looks like it may have been a milking shed of some kind. There, and you've got just here a big underground water tank. I'll see whether I can get closer in there. I don't want to go in if it's all locked up. Once again, you've got to look out for the landmines. There we go. Not a lot in here really. We've just tethered the cattle to that fence there, I'd say, and milked away. Put them in there. Actually over here I'd say put them in over there. I'll just zoom in on that. And you could have branded the cattle. Just in that little cage bit. Don't know what we got up here. Haven't been in here yet. There we go. Not a lot in here, just storage I suppose for the milk and stuff once they've milked them. Bit of dead cow there, some bones, skeletons. A couple of books, Natural Healing, Make It Last. What have we got in here? Somewhere where people decide to come and have a quiet drink. How quiet we don't know. But yeah, well that's it. Mid-North Coast, or one of the many places on the Mid-North Coast. I will call it quits here and give you a shot from above with the drone if I can get it to play ball with me, considering it's the first time I've taken it up, so we'll see how we go.